How to hide age on Tinder. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can hide your age on Tinder application. So if you want to do it correctly, just follow all the steps and stay till the end of this quick tutorial. So let's open up our Tinder application. Now hiding your age is very simple. You just need to go to your profile, which is the button in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now you need to click this pencil icon beside your profile picture. And here you just need to scroll down, scroll all the way down. And as you can see, there's the section named Manage Your Profile. And here's the option to hide your age, the toggle button for that says don't show my age. But to use that button, you need to be subscribed to Tinder Plus, which I'm not subscribed to, and I cannot turn this option on. But if you are subscribed to Tinder Plus, there's the button to hide your age. So basically, that's it for today's very quick tutorial. I hope you guys find this tutorial helpful, and if you do find it helpful, as always, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.